Greeting, handshake and the pushing hand. A silent act of rudeness. Islam is a religion that does not teach worship alone, but also teaches social manners and ethical conduct. How we greet one another, how we shake hands, and how we behave in simple daily interactions, all of that is part of our faith. Today, I want to highlight a behavior that is commonly seen in our society, yet rarely questioned. A person approaches with sincerity, extends his right hand for a handshake, and politely says, Assalamu alaikum. The other person does shake hands with the right hand, but at the very same moment pushes away with the other hand. There is no attempt to hug, no invasion of personal space. So why the push? This is not merely a matter of etiquette, it is a matter of character. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us to spread peace, to spread love, and to cause no harm to others. Shaking hands is a sunnah, and the purpose of a sunnah is to bring hearts together, not to engage in an action or utter words that break hearts. When a person is only offering a handshake with no improper intention, pushing him away with the other hand becomes a silent form of humiliation. Islam does not teach us to show respect with our words while displaying coldness through our actions. Remember that dignity is not found in creating distance, but in gentleness. If you do not wish to embrace someone, that is your right. But when a handshake is taking place, there is no need to push, because greeting means peace, handshake means respect, and pushing means hard. These three cannot exist together. Let us purify our greetings, soften our hands, and bring our conduct closer to the noble character of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Because Islam is not only a religion to be believed in, it's a way of life to be lived. Thank you very much.